Hi, we're going to graph and solve our rational, the parent function, the rational. Right here I just solved for y, so I divided both sides by x here, and with a linear. And it looks like the solutions are in this area. I did the best I can with the graphing, but it looks like they're in this area here. It's where some of the solutions are. Anyway, we're going to do this algebraically and find the exact solutions. So I'm going to solve by substitution, and I'm just going to plug this y, it says y equals that, into that y right there. So I have x times 2x plus 1 equals 1. So you get 2x squared plus x. I'm going to go ahead and move the 1 over. Minus 1 equals 0. And I'm going to factor this. This is going to be x plus 1. And 2x minus 1 equals 0. So we get x equals negative 1. And x equals 1/2. So here's your negative 1x. And 1/2 is right there. So basically, we're on the right track. Now all I have to do is plug it back in. So when x is 1, I'm going to plug in 1 here. When I get x is 1, we have y is 1. Let's see if I plug in 1. So basically, it's supposed to be negative 1. So when I plug in negative 1 here, I get y equals negative 2 plus 1, which is y is negative 1. And also I could have plugged it in here. So when right here, the intersection is occurring right here, negative 1, comma, negative 1. Now for this one, I'm going to plug in the 1/2. So when I plug in the 1/2, I'm going to go ahead and plug it in the second equation to get y equals 2 times 1/2 plus 1. And this is going to give you 2. So y equals 1 plus 1, so y equals 2. So when x is 1/2, this should have been hitting right at 2. So my graph is a little off here. Should have gone through there. Now, so this point right here, when x is 1/2, y is 2. So those are my two solutions. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye-bye.